Alright, so we're back with another work truck bumper. So you guys can see, I think the problem is just the plastic. But I'm sure that that's only held on by clips. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut off all of that and just kind of get this off to see what we're working with. And then I'll be able to confirm or deny that it's just clips. I have a feeling that it is just clips and that they're actually fully broken off and they're not just replacement clips. But we'll see once we take it off. We'll have to see the bottom to see what the heck holds this guy in place. Because if it's broken, then all we need is just this new piece. Alright, so I think I have two options here. Like I said, the only thing holding that thing in place was those ropes. So you just take these guys off and then it's free. So it looks like we have clips 1, 2, 3. No, probably just 2 on the top there, and then the rest are these little slits, and they're all broken. There's not a single one on there to even show you guys what they look like, because I'm almost certain they're all gone. See, no little legs, no little feet, no little feet, no little feet, no little feet. And the cutouts just make sense. That's the only thing that would hold it in place. The other thing I could do is put a ball right here just to hold that guy in place in the middle. But then that would only hold it from the middle and it would still wiggle on the sides. So my two options are, because this piece is in good shape, I could just glue it on. Also, the license plate just kind of chills in here. Nothing else really holds it. Aside from this plastic bracket, which is kind of weird, but it's fine. So yeah, the only real options are glue it into place or get a new piece. That's about it. Alright, so because this is a work truck and we don't need it to look super fancy, this is another option for you broke boys, or you just want to sell a truck or whatever. Drill holes exactly where those little squares are, and they'll line up perfectly with these slits right here and these slits right here, and that'll firmly grip the bumper no matter what. So I went ahead and did that. I'm not doing all of them, so I skipped 2. The one in the middle, those 2 on the side, these 2 on the side, these 2 in the middle, these 2, the middle, and those 2 on the edge, which all align with these 2, the middle, these 2, the middle, these 2, and then these 2 are those other 2 that were on the actual bottom part, so that has some support. I wanted to put some here, but it only has one on one side, and then on the other side it's way over here, and there's no way for me to guess that, so I'm not going to. I think those 2 are just fine. So you can see those slits are there too. They're not going to be visible once we're done here. I mean, you have to really take a close look at it. So I'm going to put the license plate on, and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about in a bit. Alright, so I'm not even done, and this thing's already firmly on there. You can see the 2 down here. You can see the 2, 1, 2. And I just need 6 more, and I'm basically done. And this guy's on there, like how it should be. No glue, clips, and like I said, this is a work truck. See the damages here. It's not going to